Cap on the top. Picking bananas or... Okay, so what... Is that the right battery? ZZL MF. Oh, dear.
Replace with this one?
Oh, well, we've got to start him. But I thought that one's been... Remember we started the car, I think, the other day?
Yeah.
Isuzu.
Susu?
Isuzu.
Isuzu. So he's gonna remove it and replace all battery.
Bloody, these...
Finish.
$199 at the battery hub. Excite Endurance, that's 238 at Bunnings. Bought one of these, 238 at Bunnings.
$250 cash on me. That's all I got.
260 at battery too. So Bunnings are pretty cheap. Yeah. Well, you want to try this one? It's been on the charger for 2 days. Which is a turf.
That'll be the positive. That's right.
Yeah, that's right. It'll. Oh, yeah. I don't have the powder.
Okay.
Hang on.
What? Oh, I thought that's why you... Oh, did you put it in wrong? Did you put it in back?
Yeah.
That's just the orientation. Did that wire?
That's all right. Let's see.
So that seems... Yeah, well, 238 at Bunnings. And that's for an Excite.
Yeah.
The battery hub is $199.
Where are they?
Well, I don't think they're here. I suppose you've got to take it out. I was going to say, why do you, I just try it first, but
Yeah, I suppose.
but yeah, if it doesn't work, it's no worse than the one you took out, is it? So, why? Was there another black wire down there? We got that. Oh, is that this?
This is one there for the
Ah, yeah. Those terminals are proud.
Yep.
This one's down in the reset. They're holding by these again. Yeah. See, 730. What's this one? This is probably the same one, isn't it? No, I got a red one. Yeah, it's only 750.
yeah.
I got the red one, which is the top of the range. I was so pissed off. Well, there it goes. It's been on the charger for 2 days. It's just by chance, you know. And I put that one back on yesterday. So.
Wait,
What happened?
what? Where did you get that?
Oh, I don't know.
Ding ding!